Hello everyone.
Happy December 4th. Today we celebrate cookies, wildlife conservation, and cozy socks. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Cookie Day. A crunchy, chewy celebration of baked joy. A great gift could be a cookie cutter set, a gourmet cookie box, or a holiday baking playlist. What's your cookie style? Let's crumble the comments. It's World Wildlife Conservation Day. A reminder to protect our planet's creatures. A thoughtful gift could be a donation to a wildlife fund, a nature calendar, or a reusable eco kit. Which animal are you rooting for? Let's roar in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 21 days away, just 3 short weeks until the big day. It's National Sock Day. A cozy nod to fun footwear. A sweet gift could be a quirky sock pack, a sock subscription, or a sock puppet kit. Show off your socks in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.